The Taal Basilica in Batangas played unexpected host to a rather bizarre and blasphemous incident with a spaced-out motorcycle rider driving through and inside the church to act out a rather weird fantasy belonging to the theater of the absurd. Eventually, and rightfully so, he ended up in police custody awaiting the filing of appropriate misdemeanor charges that our Isaiah Mirafuentes narrates in this report.
From the CCTV footage of Taal Basilica in Batangas, you can see a man entering while on board his motorcycle with a woman as his back rider. The video shows that the front light of his motorcycle is still on. He then continues straight into the church, heading towards the altar. After stopping the motorcycle, the woman gets off and walks away, but the man directly goes towards the altar. In another footage from the CCTV, after getting off the motorcycle, the man climbs up to the altar. He then goes to the priest's seat and starts clapping. Afterward, he leaves immediately as if nothing happened. The CCTV footage caught the attention of the church, which prompted them to file a complaint with the police. The man was immediately arrested by the authorities.
Medyo na-open talaga sila dahil sagrado yung simbahan, pinasok niya yung motor doon. Naupo dun sa presidential chair, tsaka pumalakpak. Siyempre, yung basilika, yan ay dinadayo talaga dito at mataas ang pagkilala ng mga tao dyan sa simbahan.
According to the suspect, the woman he was with is his girlfriend. He also apologized to those who were upset with him, claiming that he does not use prohibited drugs.
Hindi ako nagamit tinuturuan ako ng tao kung kayo naniniwala sa Diyos.
The police are also looking into whether the man has mental health issues. The Catholic Church believes that every part of the church is important and considered sacred.
Yung ipasok mo lang yung motor mo, mali na yon sa simbahan. Tapos alam natin na sagrado ang altar na hindi dapat yung ginagawa. So, siyempre sa unang tingin, parang pag-disrespect yon sa kasagraduhan ng kabanalan ng simbahan.
The man faces a case of violation of the Revised Penal Code Article 133 or disrespect to religion. Isaiah Mirafuentes from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.